to?
I'm carving a mood blossom. Listen to this. And it sprays water too.
Ah! Careful of your drawings. Water's not so good for paper.
Relax. It won't spray water until it's placed in the plaza fountain. Mayor Garth wants a new decoration. He's even offered a prize. 5 Gizbits. Or was it 500? It would be nice to buy a little treat for my real mood blossom here.
Aww.
Did he say 5,000 Gizbits?
We'd be rich. We could make one of those decorations. Looks easy.
You think so? Huh? What is that made of?
I'll never tell. Besides, it's rude to ask someone about their earwax.
Huh? Let's borrow his instead.
Oh, Oolie Bean will be so glad you like it, Blobbos.
Hello.
I'd love to hear about your work, sir. Is this for picking your nose?
Oh, goodness, no. Let me show you.
Activating What's Scather Up To mode.
You see down here? It's my signature. A face, see?
Oh, we should all look here, should we? Everyone should look here.
Status. Possible troll shenanigans.
I use this tool because on everything I make, I carve. It's exactly the way I wanted it all along.
Oh.
And it sprays water too. I wouldn't change it for all the likes in Gizmo.
Huh?
It won't spray
Mo,
water until
actual
it's placed in the
shenanigans.
Plaza fountain. Mayor Garth. Huh?
So long, Oolie Foolies!
I was sure I made this better.
That's not your carving, Oolie Bean. The trolls switched them.
My carving! How will we find it?
Huh? Follow that tune.
It's truly oolerific. Wow.
I don't like to brag, but it was a bit easy to make.
Mayor Garth? Oolie Bean made this.
Oolie Bean? But I thought...
Did Oolie Bean put these stickers on then?
He did not place the stickers.
See? They admit it. And it's got my favorite hat on after all.
Humble Bluff, you know that.
That she made it? Yeah, she does.
No, I was going to say that.
It looks lovely. Thank you, Alva. See, Mayor Garth?
No, only Oolie Bean could carve something so lovely.
Huh?
Oh. Well, I suppose you should be very proud, Oolie Bean.
Oh no, not that one. The trolls made that.
That's right. We made this.
Well, I suppose you must be the winner.
You made that, Oolie Bean. It's not right for someone else to say they did. It's stealing your work. Oh, it's a bit like Nessa thinking I drew a picture when I didn't.
I spent ages making all those carvings. It feels sad in my belly when someone else says they did it.
All those carvings? Oolie Bean, we'll make your belly better. Stay here. I'll sort this right out.
I'm sorry. I might not be able to get a treat for you after all.
Did Oolie Bean make all of these?
Yes, this flutterfly even makes music like the mood blossom carving.
Oh.
See? Oolie Bean must have made that mood blossom.